Hey everybody, it's your boy Handy Andy, and we are going to do an unboxing of a printer. This one here is from Epson. It's part of their EcoTank series. This is the ET-3710. Let's open it up and have a look. And of course, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so here's the printer right here. You can see we've got everything out, and we also got the ink right there. So I'll just go around, give you an idea of how it looks. The first thing you're going to want to do once you get it out of the box is to take all those blue tape off. So that's what we will do next. Okay, I got the 4 different types of ink out of their plastic packages, and so you'll notice the black one is bigger because typically that's what you print the most of. C stands for cyan, Y stands for yellow, and M stands for magenta. So between all these, they're going to be able to make all the different colors. Very interesting thing is when we saw this little, oh, dropped it. We saw this little slap here. Now, it says something very interesting. It says you don't squeeze the bottles when you put it in, because I think a lot of people are typically going to want to do that. And then only after do you turn the power on. So what we will also do is read what it says on the can. And the can also says, do not shake, bang, or tap bottle. So we'll just pretty much open this, and then hopefully it's not going to be too difficult to do. We'll have to see how that works out. Okay, now just before I start to put the ink in, I wanted to read the instructions to make sure if there's anything important. And what it basically says is you just want to twist the cap right off. And then what basically you do is just put it right on top, starting with the black, and you don't squeeze it. Basically, it will stop once it is full, and then you put the cap right back on, and you can use that. So I'm assuming there's going to be remaining ink, and it won't fill it, or it won't empty that entire bottle. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So here I have this. I'm going to twist this off. It comes off super easy. Now we're just going to place it right on the top. And there's actual slots here. You can't probably see it, but it lines up this way. So you're going to have these two go like that. We'll just drop it. And that's pretty easy. And I can hear it go in. If you look closely, you'll notice that it is filling. So that's actually quite easy. Very user-friendly. You definitely don't want to have kids around when you do this. Make sure you work on a safe area just so you don't spill the ink, which I probably should have did, not on my little portable countertop here, but we'll see how that goes once we are nearing the top. And it goes quite quickly, I must say. And again, the thing about with the inkjet is that you're going to be able to, you probably won't even have to like replace the ink ever during the lifetime of this printer unless you print a lot. But one of the concerns I have is, will the ink dry out if you don't print very often? That'll be something we'll have to look out to see in the future. Now, it's coming right to the top. You can still hear it. And I'm guessing it's using some kind of pressure to have it stop just like that. So now it's stopped, and I'm going to quickly take it out and hopefully it doesn't get any spillage. But imagine they designed it pretty good, and that was simple enough. Okay, So what I'll do is just continue the same thing with the next one, cyan. This should go faster because it's not as big of a bottle. Now that we got all the ink filled, we're just going to go ahead and close the ink tank and then close the top here. So I'm going to have to move this to another area so that we can plug it in, and then we will turn it on and go on to the next step. So that completes the entire installation of this printer. This is the Epson EcoTank ET-3710, and basically we took it out of the box and got it up and running to the point where we could actually print out the print check sheet, which tells us it's ready to go. We just got to install the software on a laptop, plug it in by USB after that so we can understand who it is, and then you are set to go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and we'd be glad to help. Until next time, Handy Andy signing off.